food truck park. Y'all in Killeen, y'all need to come on down here to the food truck park. They got barbecue, they got Jamaican food, they got Detroit's own, they got crazy dogs, they got a few vendors out here with some apparel and some things like that. Y'all need to come out to Killeen, Texas and come show your support. Help these people out. So yeah, this is what's going on. Different vendors out here and all of that. They got stuff over here. You got places to sit down to eat. Yeah, they go crazy dog. Detroit's on some Jamaican food, some barbecue. Look like some tacos, of course. And then down here, this is a new food truck. They got salmon bites and chicken wings, and that's what we ordered. Yeah, so y'all need to come on down here to the Killeen, Texas at the food truck park, where you might can find you something good to eat, some pretty jewelry to wear. Paparazzi. Yeah, so let's see what paparazzi got going on. Ooh. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I see that. So let's see what I'm gonna buy. I think we're gonna buy something from Miss Paparazzi. Yes, because she has some beautiful jewelry. If you guys are in Killeen, Texas, you need to come down to the food truck park where you can see Miss Bling Bling right here. All right, y'all be good and blessed. That's my babies. It's my daughter-in-law and my son. Back to the music. Everything at her booth right here is $5. At the paparazzi stand, everything is $5 and $1. I don't know about everybody else, but I just say y'all come out and see what's going on. Yeah. Get y'all some good food. The weather is nice. You know what I'm saying? So we here kind of early, but they're coming. They're coming. Yeah. Killeen, Texas, baby. That's where this Florida girl at.